Ever wondered how to do a perfect muscle up? Well, you're in luck. Today, unravel the secrets behind the elusive muscle up and break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, let's get a grip, and no pun intended. A muscle up starts with a solid grip on the bar. Position hands in a false grip, where the wrists lay on top of the bar, not below. This is pivotal for transition from the pull-up to the dip. Next up, the swing. This isn't a playground swing, mind you. Generate a controlled swing by moving the hips back and forth. This is the kip, the secret sauce to a successful muscle up. Now, onto the pull. Imagine yourself as an arrow in a bow, ready to be launched. Pull the bar to the sternum, not the chin. Remember, the higher the pull, the easier the transition to the dip. Speaking of the transition, it's time for the magic moment. Rotate the wrists over the bar, shifting the body from below the bar to above it. It's like a dance move, where the body gracefully slides over the bar, ready for the final stage. Finally, the dip. Push down on the bar, extending the arms fully. Congrats, you've just completed a muscle up. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Lower yourself slowly, maintaining control. This eccentric part of the muscle up is just as important for building strength. So, to summarize, a perfect muscle up is a blend of 5 key elements. The grip, the swing, the pull, the transition, and the dip. Each step is crucial, each movement a piece of the puzzle. Master them individually, and then weave them together into a seamless flow. And remember, patience and consistency are your best friends here. A muscle up is not just a physical feat, it's a testament to discipline, determination, and dedication. So keep practicing, keep improving, and before you know it, you'll be doing muscle ups like a pro. To perfect your muscle up, remember the mantra: grip, swing, pull, transition, dip. Practice these steps, stay consistent, and the elusive muscle up will soon be within your reach. This is more than just a tutorial, it's a journey towards mastering one of the most challenging yet rewarding exercises. So step up to the bar and show the world what you're made of. After all, every champion was once a contender who refused to give up.